No matter what you're doing in every area of your life, the secret magical key that can help you is something that I learned from my dad when I was a little kid. Work smarter, not harder, and always have a little fun. And one of the most powerful ways that you can work smarter and not harder in IT is in the area of automation. So in this episode, we're going... What? Wait, I'm sorry. You don't think you need automation? You think that you're more productive without it? I think that the history of the whole human race would say a big nuh-uh. Here's just a few examples. Microwaves, food processors, chainsaws, hair dryers, washing machines, walking instead of crawling, riding a horse instead of walking, driving a car instead of riding a horse, calculators, computers, and automation instead of being a point-and-click admin. Now, I'm not saying that efficiency is everything, but the reason that all of these different things exist is so that you can accomplish more using these tools than you could have achieved alone. Automation will help you to reduce operational costs, increase your productivity and reliability of your outcomes, and optimize for your performance. And my favorite of all, automation allows you to share your work with others. And if you combine automation and a sense of exploration and fun together, then you'll be able to create things that not only help yourself, but can help everybody else around the world. And that means that you're scaling your own efforts and makes you even more productive. And don't worry about being perfect right out of the gate with automation. Nobody ever is. Learning is part of the process. But you can start to unlock your full potential with our playlist over here on automation in the cloud, covering things from DevOps principles to pipelines, ARM templates, PowerShell, Azure CLI, policies, and a whole lot more. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all of that good stuff, and I will see you in the next video. Happy learning.